My name is Delainy Winter, and today I'm going to be doing my self-critique on my wire sculpture, which is this little dragonfly that I created. I chose a dragonfly because I wanted a subject with distinct recognizable sections like the delicate open wings versus the dense segmented body where I could experiment with some linear wire construction. Artistically, I used two different colors of wire to differentiate structural form. I used the thick black wire that was provided to define the main outlines and linear direction of the body, legs, and the wing edges. And then I used a fine silver wire to wrap the head, build up the internal volume, and weave some cross-hatching inside the wings. I'm going to go ahead and analyze this through some formal design elements such as line, plane, volume and mass, texture, and spatial activation. The black wire acts as a sharp contour lines tracing the wings and legs, while the silver wire creates fine, energetic linear hatching throughout the wing interior. While there are no solid planes, the outer wire boundaries establish implied planes that outline the flat surface of the forewings. The head and thorax use densely wrapped silver wire to build physical mass, whereas the abdomen uses coiled black wire to form a hollow, linear volume. The contrast between the smooth black wire outlines the tightly knotted metallic silver wire, giving the body a tactile woven texture. The wide span of the wings and the angled legs push outward in 3 dimensions, which actively carves into the surrounding air rather than sitting flat on the table. In my opinion, what succeeded best about my project was the contrast between the dense head and thorax and the open, airy wings. If I were to revise this in a future iteration, I would work on making the wire joints cleaner, where the wings attach to the body, and I'd experiment with varying the wire tension so the long abdomen stays completely straight without sagging. I also would like to go in and add a little more detail into the wings.